And these Christian missionaries, they are trained, they have got special manuals on how to do dawah to the non-Christians. And they have a manual by the name of Operation World, which shows you how to do dawah in different parts of the world, whether it be in India, whether it be in Pakistan, whether it be in UK, whether it be in USA, whether it be in Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, be careful, it's very difficult to do dawah. So these Christian missionaries, they have full-time people dedicated to do dawah. How many full-time da'is do we have? Like how we have full-time doctors, full-time engineers. Similarly, these Christian missionaries, they have full-time da'is conveying the message of Christianity. And unfortunately, we Muslims, we are very backward as far as dawah using the media is concerned. And today research tells us that when a person gives a public talk, the matter that he speaks carries only 7% weightage. Whereas 93%, it is the presentation skills. The way you modulate your voice, the eye-to-eye contact, the gestures, the distance from the microphone. All this consists of 93%. Whereas 7%, it is only the matter. 93%, it consists of the presentation skills. And the Islamic International School and the Islamic Research Foundation have taken the initiative to conduct dawah training programs, the DTP, which shows the different techniques of how to do dawah. And the different techniques of how to do dawah, dawah using the video, dawah using the audio, the print media, journalism, all these are different techniques. And alhamdulillah, the Peace Conference in Mumbai, it is the largest Islamic conference in the world. Largest Islamic peace conference in terms of number of people attending and also in terms of technology being used. There are no less than 30 different speakers coming from all over the world, whether it be from UK, whether it be from USA, whether it be from Canada, whether it be from Saudi Arabia, from UAE, from different parts of the world. Bombay is being blessed with the stalwarts of Islam. And alhamdulillah, there are no less than 35 cameras. Today, alhamdulillah, Peace TV Network, it is the largest watch Islamic channel in the world. It is not only the largest watch Islamic channel in the world, it is also the largest watch religious channel in the world, covering 6 billion people. In potential viewers, Peace TV is close to 1.5 billion. In actual viewership, it is more than 100 million. The Christian missionaries, they have big budgets, but the difference is that we have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on our side.